I want to say thanks to Blckshd at GMT Nation for coming out with the first how-to on here, and for Kamix for interpreting Blckshd's how-to into a wiring diagram. This is my take on both of their info. You're going to need a 5-pin relay, 2 528T pulse timer relays, 2 DP-DT relays, 7 diodes, and a good chunk of your afternoon to get this going and wired up. And yeah, purchase all the stuff first. So I want to show you the mirror that I purchased. These are the Cool View brand with the power folding, heated and power mirrors with the blinkers on there. And this is the add a fuse and the relay. These are the ones that go underneath the passenger seat in the back into the fuse box. Here's the polarity switch with the timer relays. And then you got a close-up, or here's just a polarity switch with all the wires hooked up on it. And then I'm going to show you a close-up with the diode that goes between the pins of the polarity switch. And then this is the mirror switch relay hooked up to my door switch. So not a good shot, but it's in there. And here's the 2 wires for in the power mirror that it hooks up to for the motor. And then here is the area where I stuck it in. It's on the side, on the driver's side. Pulled out the side panel and you can see I grounded it out on the bolt. Here's all the wires bundled up, and try to be neat about it. And then I just tuck it in there, zip tie it. It hangs a little bit, but it stays in place and it's easy access to get to. So here it is all put together and shows you how it works. Here's the mirrors folded in, cars off. As soon as you turn it on, they fold out. I also have my blinkers hooked up to my parking lights. I got 2 of them. You turn it off and they fold in. So if you push the switch in, they come in. We want to do it manually. And then if you push them out, they will go out. Like I said, I have 2 sets of LEDs in my mirrors. One is hooked up to the parking lights, one is hooked up to the regular blinkers. So if you turn on the blinkers, they alternate when the parking lights are on. And then if you just turn off the parking lights, that goes out, and then you can just use the normal blinkers where it doesn't alternate and it just blinks on its own. So yeah, here's my take. Hopefully you guys find some information. Go visit GMT Nation.